What's inside a proton? The cutting-edge research that could change everything. Imagine a tiny particle at the heart of everything, the proton. It's not just a stable building block of matter. Inside, it's a universe of its own, made up of even smaller constituents, quarks and gluons. This intricate dance of particles is governed by the force that holds the fabric of the universe together, known as quantum chromodynamics, or QCD. QCD explains the strong nuclear force that binds quarks within protons, but its mysteries run deep. While the theory offers a framework, many questions remain unanswered. How do quarks and gluons form the proton we observe? How do these interactions shape the universe around us? Here's where theory meets practice. Theoretical physicists constantly propose new models, and experimental researchers are testing them at cutting-edge particle accelerators. By colliding particles like protons and electrons at staggering energies, scientists can trace the remnants of these collisions to reveal the proton's inner workings. But the challenge isn't just in the collision itself. Theories must be connected to real-world results, bridging the gap between abstract equations and the proton's physical structure. Until now, this link was elusive, but new theoretical breakthroughs provide the tools to connect the dots and transform how we interpret data. At facilities like the Thomas Jefferson National Accelerator Facility and the upcoming Electron-Ion Collider, experiments are underway to map the behavior of quarks and gluons inside protons. Understanding their motion will unlock answers to fundamental questions about the proton's mass, spin, and the very fabric of matter. With these advances, we are standing at the threshold of something monumental, decoding the deepest secrets of the proton. Could this be the key to understanding everything? The journey to the heart of the universe is just beginning. The rest of the news is in the link below. Do not forget to follow and share. Information multiplies as it is shared.